Welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Morbid Metal game. Not launching, not opening, crashing, stuck on loading, screen lagging, freezing, black screen, or several other issues on PC. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and then check. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, click on Windows icon. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and then check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to run the game as administrators. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder. Select the game application, right click on it. Click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7. Click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game. So let me search for the game over here. So here is the game application. If you cannot find it, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game. And then check if it's working. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, now launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. So make sure Windows is up to date. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, click on Windows Update, click on check for updates and it will check if any update is available. After updating your Windows to the latest version, now try to launch the game and then check whether it's working now. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link. After it is downloaded, open it. You will get repair or install option. Whatever you get, click on it and wait for some time. Once you get setup successful message, close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and click on the play button to check if the game is launching or not. But if the issue still continues again and again, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. This will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and finally reinstall Morbid Metal game and then click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few solutions that will surely help to resolve Morbid Metal game crashing, stuck on loading screen, not launching, not opening, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.